guys, it's Tabitha here with CellBotics. As you know, I am the cell phone course instructor as well as the gaming course instructor. So I have here with me Jessie, and she just completed the gaming course. So I would like to get some of your feedback. What did you think of the gaming course? What are you planning to do? That kind of thing.
I was, first of all, very excited to even get the chance to do the gaming course in general. I didn't know that the Device Master course included the gaming course, but the gaming course was absolutely my favorite out of the three.
Yay, that makes me feel good.
It really was, but I'm biased towards gaming systems.
Yes.
I really am. But you taught me in a way that was more physical and like gave me a better understanding of the devices that I was tearing down and just disassembling, reassembling. You gave me that outlook on it, and that made it so much easier for me to learn.
Good. So how would you say confidence-wise? I know when you came here, you had said that you had done a few repairs, but you probably didn't feel very confident with it.
No, absolutely
So how do you feel today after completing?
Today after completing, especially after the little bit of soldering, I definitely feel a lot more confident in my ability to do repairs, replacements, any of that. Just disassembly was a big thing for me before this class.
Yes. So that's something I always talked about with the gaming course. Each day we do something major that you're going to get money for. You're going to do cleaning, you're going to do hard drives, you're going to do soldering.
Yeah.
So I hope that you have encompassed that well for you. I know it's a lot in 3 days.
It was a lot in 3 days, but it was a lot easier than one of the other classes.
Well, I'm glad that you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what you do with it. Yes.